A raw mango cooler, commonly known as Aam Panna. Let's begin. For this, I have taken the raw mango, peeled the skin and cut into pieces. I want to boil the raw mango in some water. Now the water is boiling. I'll add in the cut mangoes. Close the lid and cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. While this is boiling, I would like to roast few dry ingredients. I would like to roast the jeera and saunf, few peppercorns. Just roast very light. I would switch off at this stage. Now this is almost 7 minutes and the mango is perfectly soft. I will switch off the flame. I would make it into a coarse powder. Now the mango is cool. I will blend this. Now with this, I'm going to add mint leaves and generous amount of sugar, salt, the kala namak and some chat powder, a little more water. I'm adding the powdered jeera, fennel and peppercorn. I'll add in some more water. I shall sieve this. For serving, I'm adding the ice cubes and few mint leaves to garnish. Our raw mango cooler is ready to drink. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.